Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11 operating system. It's very easy. First of all, we have to right click here, then select run, and we have to type here regedit. For that, you have to just go to search bar, then again you have to right click on it, select settings. Now on this window, go to accessibility, and then just go to the keyboards, and we have to use this option on screen keyboard, so enable this one. So the on screen keyboard will pop up automatically, then simply select it and type here regedit. Okay, now click on OK and select as. Once we are here, we have to go to this path: computer, HK, local machine, system, current control set, services, and i8024. So I will show you how to go there. First of all, we have to go back to the main. So here it is. We have to expand this HK local machine, then expand system folder, then we have to expand the current control set, then go for the services folder, and here we have to find out the i8004. I will show you. Here it is, i8042 to port. Simply select it. On the right side, right click on start and select modify. We have to change the value data as to 1, so just set the 1 and click on OK. Close this one and simply restart the system. That's it guys, your problem will be solved. You're good to go. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel. Please do check out the pinned comment.